Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about for home remedies using fennel that can help you in weight loss. Fennel is one herb which has been used since ancient times for various health benefits. Today, I will share how it can help you to lose weight. Fennel is also called meat in Marathi and it is available all year round. So let's start with our first remedy. Our first remedy is fennel tea. For making fennel tea, take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add 1 cup water in it. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink this tea on a regular basis. Fennel seeds have fiber and other compounds that make you feel full. This helps you to control your hunger pangs and eventually reduces the calorie intake. Also, the phytochemicals present in the fennel seeds have thermogenic property. This means that these compounds increase the body temperature and thus boost your metabolism. A study published in the journal Food and Function found that the fennel seed extract increased the rate of fat burning in mice. This was due to the presence of trans-coniferyl alcohol. Another compound found in fennel is caffeic acid. This compound helps in reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation sometimes can lead to weight gain. So if you are trying to lose weight, then try drinking fennel tea on a regular basis. Our next remedy is fennel water. For making fennel water, take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add 1 glass of water in it, soak fennel seeds at least for 2 hours or overnight. After that, strain the mixture and drink this fennel water every day. The fennel water acts as a natural diuretic. This means that it increases the urine flow and removes all the toxins from the body. Removing toxins helps your body to function properly and thus aids in weight loss. Along with this, fennel water reduces bloating and gas, so this would help you to have a flat belly. 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds contains approximately 260 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is an important nutrient that helps in removing extra salt from the body. This naturally flushes out the water retention in your body and thus helps in reducing the weight. There are several studies that show the effect of potassium in losing weight. In a study, it was observed that people who consumed more potassium were less likely to be obese than those who consumed less potassium. Another study shows that consuming 427 milligrams of potassium daily decreased the BMI by 3 kilograms per 4 weeks. So you should definitely include fennel water in your diet for a healthy weight loss. Third remedy is fennel powder. For making fennel powder, take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, roast the seeds until they turn into brown color and become fragrant. Now cool them down and grind them into fine powder. Take this powder and mix it with water or milk and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. This helps to improve digestion and reduce the constipation, which is very common nowadays. You may be thinking, what does digestion has to do with weight loss? Well, when your food is not digested properly, then it leads to bloating, gas, and even irregular bowel movements. All of this slows down your weight loss process. But when your food is digested properly, then the nutrients are absorbed well and your body gets the energy to burn the fat. That's why consuming fennel powder on an empty stomach helps to speed up your weight loss process. The most important thing about the fennel powder is that it reduces the oxidative stress in the liver. Due to this, the liver functions optimally and starts to burn the fat. Also, it has anti-diabetic property, so this would help the people who are overweight and diabetic. Fourth remedy is fennel seeds. For this remedy, you will just chew fennel seeds after your lunch and dinner. Chewing fennel seeds aids digestion and prevents bloating. This helps you to have a flatter belly in no time. Fennel seeds also contain vitamin C, K, calcium, and iron. Vitamin C boosts the collagen production in your body. This eventually tones the abdominal muscles and gives you a strong core. Vitamin K, on the other hand, supports bone health. Adequate amount of calcium and iron in the body ensures that your body gets enough energy to perform its daily functions. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of the fennel seeds prevent the infectious diseases. Consuming fennel seeds regularly improves the immune system and protects you from illness, and this indirectly helps in weight loss. A study showed that the people who had higher intake of cumin and fennel seeds had lower risk of developing obesity-related complications like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. So chew fennel seeds after your meals to get all these amazing benefits. So these were the 4 remedies using fennel seeds that can help you in weight loss. Apart from these remedies, you must follow a healthy diet plan and a workout routine for a faster result. Let's see what all things you should eat and avoid while doing this fennel remedies. While doing these remedies, you should eat homemade fresh food. Always choose unprocessed and whole foods. As much as possible, include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet. These provide you essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Choose complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates. Examples of complex carbohydrates are whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. These carbohydrates are digested slowly and thus provide energy for a longer period. Avoid sugary drinks, processed foods, and street food as much as possible. If you really want to lose weight, then you must get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is very important because it regulates the hormones that control hunger and fullness. It has been proven that people who sleep less are more likely to be overweight or obese. So try getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Apart from that, you should manage stress as it can cause weight gain. Practice yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises to keep your mind calm and relaxed. Now let's see some points that you should remember before consuming fennel seeds. First point, always choose organic fennel seeds. If possible, buy fennel seeds that are free from pesticides and other chemicals. Second, do not consume too much fennel seeds, as fennel seeds have diuretic property, so consuming too much can lead to dehydration. Third, fennel seeds may interact with certain medications, such as anticoagulant drugs and anti-diabetic drugs. So consult your doctor before taking fennel seeds if you are on any medication. Fourth, fennel seeds can cause allergic reactions in some people. So if you have allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions, then you should avoid consuming fennel seeds. Fifth, fennel seeds are generally safe during pregnancy, but it is best to consume them in moderation. Do not consume more than 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds per day during pregnancy. Sixth, fennel seeds are safe for breastfeeding mothers. Fennel seeds can help to relieve the symptoms of mastitis. So if you are facing any problem while breastfeeding, then you can consume fennel tea or fennel water. Just make sure that you don't consume more than 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds per day. So these were the 4 home remedies using fennel that can help you in weight loss. Along with these remedies, you must follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly to get faster results. Also, check out these amazing videos related to weight loss. Thank you for watching and make sure that you like, comment, and share this video. Stay healthy, stay fit.